I have my Keycloak running, and I showed you how to run your Keycloak on my previous tutorials. If you haven't watched my Keycloak tutorials, may you please watch them so that you do understand what this video is all about. So here I have list of users in my Keycloak, and the main goal of this video is to update our Keycloak version to the latest Keycloak version. There are the advantages of updating Keycloak, whereby it can solve the problems like enhanced encryption standards, compliance updates, and critical vulnerability patches, and also the modern UI, because they also update their UI, and reduced memory footprint for memory resource utilization, bug fixes. All of these things, we need them on the latest Keycloak. These advantages can help our Keycloak to be more secure, because even on enterprise application, if things are working, they don't update their security. But here we are going to have like better algorithms each and every day. So let's look for the latest Keycloak version and we can update. So let's look for Keycloak latest version, and we can go to release notes. So here I can see here this version 26.4.2. Let's try to update to this latest version. As you can see, if I go to my Keycloak, I was still on 26.07, and you can see on my UI here, this is the old UI. We will see the new UI after the update. So if I go to identity providers, this is Google, and I can go to permissions. It's there, mappers, settings. So we need to know which update causes a problem. So now if I go here and I do this and I update it to this version, let me open in terminal. I'm running it on Docker, so I'll just say Docker compose down. Let's stop our Docker so that it will download the latest Keycloak version. Now it's down, so let me say Docker compose up. So you see it will start to pull the latest Keycloak version, which we added here, 26.4.2. So let's wait for it to complete. Now it's now starting up. This is the database Postgres. You can see these are configuration for Postgres database, and these are configurations for Keycloak. And the username is admin, and our password is admin81234. And we are connecting to Postgres database. So now it's running, and you can see it's running on my port 9443. So if I reload here, let's try to reload. After reloading, our UI has been updated. We are now having manage rooms. It's now different UI, and these are my rooms, and I'm in this current room, which is the UI change. And if I go to identity providers, we want to solve the problems that are there. But previously I showed you here there was permissions, but it is gone because of this new Keycloak version. So we need to fix this problem so that we'll be able, so that the application will still allow the users to log in with the Google. For you, if you are using Google sign in, we want to solve this problem. So what we need to do is to go to our configuration files, our Docker Composer YAML, and we look for KC features. So by default, they disabled third-party logins. So here for token exchange, we just want to do this : v1 and here you just say v1 because this thing is still in preview. So I can do this, I can stop it, and I can start it again. So now it's running. Let me reload this page and see. We see, so the new Keycloak version, they updated those features so that you need to put v1 for you to continue to use your third party like identity providers login. Like here, permissions, it's now there. So keep on updating your Keycloak regularly to solve most of the problems, like to stay up to date, and the bugs will be fixed on each version, better performance of the application by optimized data queries, modern API endpoints, long-term support also. If you keep on updating your Keycloak, don't remain on the old Keycloak version. If you are new to this channel, may you kindly subscribe, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we upload new video. Let's meet on another video. Salut coders.